When you tell a woman these 5 things, she can never stop to think about you. Yes, a lot of men, one of the mistakes that they are making is not knowing the right thing to tell a woman, because women move emotionally. If you cannot press that emotional button, believe me, you have lost it. But after watching this video from beginning to the end, you will find out the right button to press so that she will be having feelings for you immediately you tell her these things. Number 1 is tell that woman that you met, that woman that you have been moving with for 1 month, how much you are feeling about her. Ned, I cannot tell, I cannot imagine what I am feeling inside me right now. I am feeling about you so much. It makes a woman to be in that mood, because every woman is emotional type. Yes, we all want to hear something that sweetens our heart. So when you tell a woman, I cannot express how I am feeling about you right now, oh my goodness, that woman will be like, But when you tell her another thing, or you close your mouth while she's expecting you to say something, believe me, you are losing that lady. The second thing to tell a woman is, tell her how hot she's looking. If she just made her hair, tell her how her hair is making her look, that is making her to look beautiful, that you love this type of hair. Let her continue making this hair. When you tell a woman this, believe me, she will love to do anything that will please you, and she'll be falling for you every time, because she has seen that you appreciate her, you love everything about her, and she'll be doing her, yes, because she wants you to be praising her. The third thing is, tell a woman, just call her. Tell her that you cannot stop thinking about her. That as you are now, that is how your body is doing you. That you cannot stop thinking about her. You don't know what is wrong with you. That you are in love. You know, give her this melody. You will see her falling for you more and more. Irotago, please, have you shared this? If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Help me share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. The next one, I love you with all my heart. I love you from the bottom of my heart. When you tell a woman that you love her and you show her, you know, that love that you proclaim, you show her by getting gift for her, by taking her good suggestions, it will make that woman to be falling for you more and more. The next thing is, tell her how you enjoy the cook that she cooked, her food, both her tatata food and the physical food. If you tell the woman that you love how she cook, if she has cooked for you, or you love her pot of soup, you know what I mean, believe me, she'll be falling for you. She'll be in that mood always, knowing fully well that you admire her, knowing fully well that, you know, you praise her, knowing fully well that you proclaim love before her. Therefore, she will give you her all. Don't keep quiet. Don't say, I'm a man, I will never do this. See, let me tell you, women are emotional type. Therefore, use TLC, tender love care, and treat that woman and see how she will succumb. She'll be singing in your melody. See you guys again. Bye for now.